In today's mobile-first world, apps are everything. We use them to connect, learn, and explore. But building apps for both iOS and Android can be tough. That's where Flutter comes in. Flutter is a powerful tool from Google that's changing how we build apps. Imagine writing code once and having it work perfectly on iPhones and Android phones. That's the magic of Flutter. This revolutionary framework helps developers build beautiful, fast, and native-like apps for any device. It simplifies the process, saving time and effort. Flutter is more than just a framework. It's a thriving community of developers, designers, and tech enthusiasts. With its intuitive approach and powerful features, Flutter makes building incredible apps accessible to everyone. Before Flutter, creating an app meant developing two separate versions, one for iOS and one for Android. This was a time-consuming and expensive process. Developers had to write code twice, once for each platform, using different programming languages and tools. This often led to inconsistencies between the two versions. Testing was also a challenge, as each version had to be tested separately on different devices. This traditional approach often resulted in slower development cycles and increased costs. Flutter solves this problem with its revolutionary approach, a single codebase for both platforms. This means you only need to write your code once and it will work seamlessly on both iOS and Android devices. This single codebase approach saves developers significant time and effort. They can focus on building the app's features and functionality instead of writing and maintaining two separate codebases. This not only speeds up the development process but also ensures consistency across both platforms. The app will look and behave the same way on an iPhone as it does on an Android phone. Section 4. A native experience crafted with Flutter. Flutter ensures your app looks and feels right on any device. It doesn't just mimic the look, it uses the actual design elements of each platform. This means buttons, menus, and scrolling will feel natural to users, whether on iOS or Android. This native look and feel is crucial for providing a seamless user experience. Flutter achieves this by providing a rich set of pre-designed widgets that adhere to the design language of each platform. These widgets are customizable to match your app's branding and style. Section 5. Performance that matters. Flutter apps are known for their smooth performance. This is because Flutter compiles your code directly to native ARM code, the language understood by mobile devices. This compilation process eliminates any intermediary layers, resulting in faster app startup times and smoother animations. Users will appreciate the app's responsiveness, making for a more enjoyable experience. Flutter's performance is comparable to native apps, and in some cases even better. This ensures your app runs smoothly, even on older devices, providing a great user experience for everyone. Section 6. Design flexibility at your fingertips. Flutter gives developers the freedom to create beautiful and unique user interfaces. With its flexible and customizable widgets, you can build an app that truly stands out from the crowd. These widgets are like building blocks that you can arrange and customize to create any layout imaginable. This level of flexibility allows you to bring your design vision to life without limitations. Whether you prefer a sleek and modern look or a more playful and colorful aesthetic, Flutter provides the tools to make it happen. You can even create your own custom widgets to achieve specific design elements. Chapter 7. The future of Flutter. As we move forward, Flutter continues to evolve, setting new standards in mobile app development. The community around Flutter is growing rapidly, with developers contributing to its improvement every day. This collaborative effort ensures that Flutter remains at the cutting edge of technology, offering new features and capabilities with each update. Imagine building apps not just for mobile, but also for web, desktop, and even embedded devices, all from a single code base. Flutter is paving the way for a unified development experience, breaking down barriers and expanding possibilities. The future of Flutter is bright, filled with endless potential and innovation. As developers, you are part of this exciting journey, shaping the future of how we interact with technology. Embrace the power of Flutter and be a pioneer in the next generation of app development. Join the revolution and let's build the future together. Thank you for watching and happy coding. Chapter 8. Community and Ecosystem. The strength of Flutter lies not just in its technology but in its vibrant and supportive community. Developers from around the world come together to share knowledge, contribute to the codebase, and create a wealth of resources that benefit everyone. From open-source plugins to detailed tutorials, the Flutter ecosystem is rich with tools that make app development more accessible and efficient. The community organizes meetups, conferences, and online forums, fostering a culture of collaboration and continuous learning. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting out, the Flutter community welcomes you with open arms, ready to help you succeed. So dive in, explore, and become a part of this incredible ecosystem. Together we can push the boundaries of what's possible and create amazing experiences for users everywhere. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Happy coding. Chapter 9. Real-world applications. Flutter isn't just a promising technology, it's already making waves in the real world. Major companies like Google, Alibaba, and eBay are leveraging Flutter to build seamless and high-performing apps. From e-commerce to social media, Flutter's versatility allows for the creation of a wide range of applications. Imagine swiping through your favorite shopping app, knowing it was built with the same code base as a powerful business tool. Flutter bridges the gap between concept and execution, making it easier for developers to bring their innovative ideas to life. The technology is not just a promise for the future, it's a proven solution for today. Experience the power of Flutter in real-world applications and see for yourself how it transforms the mobile app landscape. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of Flutter. Until next time, happy coding. Welcome to Chapter 10, Getting Started with Flutter. If you're inspired by the real-world applications we've discussed, you might be wondering how to begin your own Flutter journey. The good news is, getting started with Flutter is straightforward and accessible. First, visit the official Flutter website to download the SDK and follow the step-by-step installation guide. Next, explore the extensive documentation and tutorials available to help you set up your first project. Don't forget to leverage the vibrant Flutter community for support and inspiration. Join forums, attend meetups, and participate in online courses to deepen your understanding. With Flutter, the possibilities are endless, and the tools to create your dream app are at your fingertips. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and start building today. Thank you for watching, and happy coding. Welcome to Chapter 11, Advanced Flutter Techniques. Now that you have a solid foundation, it's time to delve deeper into the advanced features that Flutter offers. Explore state management solutions like Provider, Riverpod, or Block to manage your app's state efficiently. Dive into custom animations to create visually stunning and interactive user experiences. Learn about integrating native code to leverage platform-specific features and APIs. Don't forget to explore Flutter's powerful testing framework to ensure your app is robust and bug-free. Finally, optimize your app's performance by understanding the best practices for rendering and resource management. With these advanced techniques, you'll be well-equipped to build sophisticated and high-performing Flutter applications. Ready to take your skills to the next level? Let's get started. Welcome to the final chapter, Conclusion and Next Steps. Congratulations on completing this journey into the world of Flutter. You've learned about the fundamentals, explored advanced techniques, and discovered the power of this versatile framework. Now it's time to put your knowledge into action. Start by building your own projects and experimenting with different features. Join the vibrant Flutter community to stay updated and seek support. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep innovating. The future of mobile app development is in your hands. Thank you for watching and happy coding. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content.